This is Dove Body Wash with the Pump and Skin Natural Nourishers. A couple of reasons why I bought this. I've got a large shower with a lot of glass in it, and I want it to reduce soap scum, and so compared to using a bar, this definitely is better for that. Other thing is, I just like Dove products because they're pretty soft on my skin. I've got pretty sensitive skin. They don't seem to cause any kind of irritation at all. It is slightly scented. It actually smells pretty nice. So a couple of things that Dove tells you. This is mild and pH balanced, and it has skin natural nourishers and plant-based moisturizers that absorb deeply into the top layers of the skin. So it kind of keeps my skin nice and soft. It is plant-based, which I like. It is not tested on animals. It is PETA friendly. There's no sulfates in here, so it is pretty good for my skin. It is cruelty free, and this is manufactured in the US of A. Somebody asked, is this free of animal products? And I'll read what Dove says. It says, the ingredients for our deep moisture body wash may be derived from a variety of vegetable sources, such as coconut or palm or kernel oil, or animal sources, typically beef or pork. So potentially, somebody asked about European banned ingredients. It's called DMDM hydantoin. And Dove says our deep moisture body wash doesn't contain DMDM hydantoin, and we are working on getting the list updated. And this is the 34-ounce size.